Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing tonight? I'd like to welcome to the stage the lyrically acclaimed
James Brown.
I like this young man because when he came out with the phrase,
You know I feel alright.
I like that.
Alright.
So everybody in the house, give a warm round of applause for
James Brown and
the notorious B.I.G. The notorious B.I.G., ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him, y'all.
this is a hit.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking hoes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting, but I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it, I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes, see notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree.
I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Papa's got a brand new
I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Papa's got a brand new bag.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things to make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gonna be here for a while? I'm gonna call my crew. You gonna call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and roaches. Great conversation for a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the jacuzzi. Smoke L's while you do me.
I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Papa's got a brand new
I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Papa's got a brand new bag.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Imagining Benzes, giving ends to my friends, and it feels stupendous. Tremendous cream, fuck $1 and a dream. Still tote gas strapped with infrared beams. Chopping O's, smoking line optimals, money holes and clothes, all a nigga knows. A foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the buried treasure, so grams I had to measure. However, living better now, coochie sweater now. Drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Papa's got a brand new bag.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Papa's got a brand new bag.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Hey, hey! Come on. Hey, hey! Come on now. Hey, hey! Come on.
This is where I feel.
I know how it feel to wake up, fucked up. Pockets broke as hell, another rock to sell. People look at you like you's the user, selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser. But they don't know about your stress-filled day. Baby on the way, mad bills to pay. That's why you drink Tangeray, so you can reminisce and wish you wasn't living so devilish. Shit, I remember I was just like you, smoking blunts with my crew, flipping those 62s, cause GED wasn't B.I.G. I had to get P.A.D. That's why my mom hate me. She was forced to kick me out, no doubt. Then I figured out Nick smoke for 20 down south. Packed up my tools for my raw power move. Block 19 for casket and flower moves. For chumps trying to stop my flow, and what they don't know will show on the autopsy. Went to see Poppy to cop me a brick. Asked for some consignment, he wasn't trying to hear it. Smoking mad Newports cause I'm doing court for an assault that I caught in Bridgeport, New York. Catch me if you can like the gingerbread man. You better have your gat in hand, cause man,
yesterday my life was filled with the rain. Oh baby, yesterday my life was filled with the rain.
I had the master plan, I'm in the caravan on my way to Maryland with my man 2 Tex to take over this project. They call him 2 Tex, he told 2 Tex. And when he start the bus, he like to ask who's next. I got my honey on the Amtrak with the crack in the crack of her ass. 2 pounds of hash in the stash. I wait for her to make some quick cash. I told her she could be lieutenant, bitch got gas. At last, I'm literally lounging black, sitting back counting double-digit thousand stacks. Had to re-up, see what's up with my peeps. Toyota dealer gone, had it cheap on the Jeep. See who got smoked, what rumors were spread. Last I heard I was dead, with 6 to the head. Then I got the phone call, it couldn't hit me harder. We got infiltrated, like Nino at the Carter. Heard Tech got murdered in the town I never heard of by some bitch named Alberta over nickel-plated burners. And my bitch, swear to God she won't snitch. I told her when she hit the bricks I make the hooker rich. Conspiracy, she'll be home in 3. Until then I looks out for the whole family. A true G, that's me blowing like a bubble in the everyday struggle.
Yesterday my life was filled with the rain. Oh baby, yesterday my life was filled with the rain. Oh baby, yesterday my life was filled with the rain. Oh baby, this is a man's world.
This goes out to you. This goes out to you, and you, and you, and you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you, you. Your rain on the top was short like leprechauns as I crush so-called willies, thugs, and rapadons. Get in that ass quick fast like Ramadan. It's that rap phenomenon, Don Dada. Book popper, you gotta call me Francis M.H. White intake like toast, so iron. Was told in shootout, stay low and keep firing. Keep extra clips for extra shit. Who's next to flip on that cat with that grip on rap? The most shady, Frankie baby. Ain't no telling where I may be. May see me in DC at Howard Homecoming with my man Capone drumming fucking something. You should know my stilo. Went from 10 G's for blow to 30 G's a show to more G's with O's I never seen before. So, Jesus, get off the notorious. Keen us before I squeeze and bust. If the beef between us, we can settle it with the chrome and metal shit. I make it hot like a kettle get. You're delicate, you better get who sent you. I'm still kicking the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. On your mark, get set. When I spark, you wet. Look how dark you get when you mark for death. Should I start your breath or should I let you die? In fear you start to cry, ask why. Lyrically I'm worship, don't front the word sick. You cursed it, but rehearsed it. I drop unexpectedly like bird shit. You herbs get stuck quickly for royalties and show money. Don't forget the publishing, I punish them. I'm done with them, son, I'm surprised you run with them. I think they got coming, cause they nothing but dicks. Trying to blow up like nitro and dynamite sticks. Man, I smoke hydro, rock diamonds, that's sick. Got paid off my flow, rhyme with my own clip. Take trips to Cairo, lay in with your bitch. I know you praying you was rich, fucking prick. When I see you, I'm kicking the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kicking the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more.
This song here is dedicated to Danny Dan. May he rest in peace. Who at his funeral left us with the words that he did it his way. So I have no other choice but to do it my way. While niggas are shooting stupid, I'm carefully plotting ways to make you rotten. Well playing hits until you're long forgotten. Y'all niggas that utilize my style don't hurt me. Cause on the low, half of these rapping ass niggas wanna work for me. Now picture me standing on somebody's block trying to rock. I drop bombs and niggas see me with that dough by 8 o'clock. My feet never touch the concrete, just reap sweet rewards while you're staring on my dick, nigga. Give me yours. I don't hassle with capsules cause that'll make the grass grow. And get a project, nigga paid up the asshole. If I'm a risk of frisk, getting my wrist wrapped up in steel. I'm out here trying to make a meal, my shit is real for real. While others worship guns, I worship tons of money. Tons of fun, laughing at shit that ain't even funny. So I ain't pressed to make a CD, I took it slow. 80% of these niggas with deals can't see me with the dough. In my lifetime, I need to see a whole lot of dough. I need a whole lot of dough. In my lifetime, I need to see a whole lot of stash. I need a whole lot of cash.
First I wake up, thinking of a plan to get my cake up. Cause I can't pay the rent with school papers. I need 2 acres and more. I know how it feel walking out the door. Pockets out the door, be on the floor. We smoking indoor, but we outdoor. Adios, my audios getting me that OD dough on the Range Road. Mahogany color clothing, my hog in the road. Drive slow, cruising down memory lane. Before I hit the streets, have my melody playing. Create a juice fly with my melody sing. Headed between clouds, I think I'm married to Jay. I remember the days where I forever complained. That's way before they started paying, I was in pain. Sick in the brain like I never met the physics yet. Only lymphocytes on my metaphysics intellect. Sweet dreams stuck in the 90s. 90s babies, it's a matter of time. Sweet dreams, my nigga. I wish you sweet dreams, my nigga. Sweet dreams stuck in the 90s. 90s babies, it's a matter of time. And time's not rewinding. Yeah. Round 2, about half of this loud dude. Don't let them hounds stoop and get soundproof. High frequency sounds too at static spot over serious static shots. Scrap finals over them static pops. I'm a fanatic fly, but a sporadic guy. Never chat a lie, just pass the lie. Guide the youth. Stand with the truth, nigga, nothing less. When the play button press, kill switches. Feel it hit your chest and meet your death. If I'm caught on the fence, no, he'll hit ya. Yes, true vest keeps it real with ya. Build with ya, show you the real picture. Only keep the ones around that suffer for meals with ya. Cause when them suckers see you suffer and your cake getting richer and your pockets getting thicker, that's when they want you to remember a nigga. But when I handed you the tape, you couldn't remember to listen. Sweet dreams stuck in the 90s. 90s babies, it's a matter of time.